In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo and send to another wallet. Full guide. By the end, you'll know how to purchase Bitcoin in the Venmo app and move it safely to an external wallet. Make sure your app is updated and that your account is verified, as Venmo may require identity checks for crypto. Also, crypto transfers are irreversible, so we'll be careful at every step. Start by opening your Venmo app and logging in. From the main screen, look along the bottom of the app for the crypto icon and tap it. This brings you to Venmo's crypto hub, where you can view available coins and your crypto activity. Choose Bitcoin from the list. You'll see a price chart and details about the asset. When you're ready, tap buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase. You can typically switch between entering a dollar amount or the BTC amount. Tap review to see the final quote, including any fees and the estimated amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right, because prices can move and fees can vary. When you're satisfied, tap Buy Bitcoin to complete the purchase. Venmo will process the order, and in a moment, you should see your updated Bitcoin balance. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount while you get comfortable. Now head back to your Venmo home screen. To move your Bitcoin out, tap Transfer. This opens the crypto transfer options. Choose External Wallet, which tells Venmo you're sending Bitcoin to a wallet outside of Venmo. On the address screen, you can paste a Bitcoin address or use any supported address entry options you see. If you're sending to a person you know on Venmo who accepts crypto, you may also see options to search by name or username, but for external wallets, the safest route is to paste the exact BTC address provided by the recipient's wallet app. Carefully enter or paste the Bitcoin address and double-check every character. Only send to a Bitcoin address. Other networks won't work and funds could be lost. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You can usually toggle between USD and BTC to match what the recipient expects. Review the network fee, as blockchain transfers include minor fees, and note that transfers can take time to confirm. When everything looks correct, tap Send Bitcoin. You may be asked to confirm with your device security. After sending, you'll see a confirmation and your transaction will appear with a pending status until it's confirmed on the blockchain. That's it, your Bitcoin is on its way.